The Vostura Pony is an enhancement framework for SAP Cloud ALM. Our enhancement framework, Pony, improves the way of working with, for example, mandatory and custom fields. It enables you to customize SAP Cloud ALM and delivers important functional enhancements. Let's go for a demo. We see two SAP Cloud ALM systems, both on the same tenant with the same data. On the left, the SAP standard. On the right, our Pony extension. I'll show you in a comparison how Pony adapts Cloud ALM to your processes without a single line of code. A first comparison on the Implementation tab. On the left, the standard with everything that SAP delivers. On the right, the same page, but cleaned up by Pony. Quality gates out, retrofit out, reports out. Everything that the user doesn't use. You can see the first effect of this configuration: less distraction, clearer user guidance. We show this specifically with the use case, feature. It looks almost identical on both sides. In a standard feature, all SAP fields are there. We can start implementation, create user stories, project tasks, and transports. Everything works as it does for any Cloud ALM customer worldwide. Solid, but rigid. No way to add your own fields. Now the same ticket on the Pony side. Identical tenant, identical data. The difference sits in the extension layer. Watch closely. Start implementation and other fields are grayed out. Delete is hidden. After scrolling down, I see the release field is highlighted in red. The release is defined as a mandatory field. We pick Demo Release 1. The red marking disappears. Save becomes available. Back to the top. Start implementation is available now after assigning the release, what was defined as a mandatory field. Who maintains this? The answer is the central advantage of our approach. Your ALM expert. Neither developers nor consultants are needed. We see the Pony administration in its own tab. This is the configuration center to customize rule, workflows, templates, custom fields or tiles. Plus a framework area with health status, activity log, and email provider. Everything at a glance, everything versionable. We look at the rules using our demo example with the mandatory release in the feature. For each object type as can be defined, which fields or buttons should be blocked. After save, it's active from the next page reload. No deployment needed. Our next tile, custom fields. A Cloud ALM feature comes with fixed fields out of the box: title, status, release, responsible, a few more. Pony lets you add your own. You see 5 here: costs, tester, category, developer, deployment manager. Creating one is trivial, and it's absolutely no code. You see the easy field definition, in our case, for the feature. After save, from now on, the field appears in the ticket. We go back to our feature to look at additional defined fields. The data for these fields is stored outside of Cloud ALM, but within the BTP. In this example, the feature contains additional fields for cost, the tester, and the category. Those fields are available in the search area of SAP Cloud ALM. Pony delivers more functionalities for your SAP system landscape that you may know for SAP Solution Manager. Just to name a few. Template protection for rollout control of global SAP implementations and cross-landscape distribution. Let's investigate XLD. There we have a dashboard containing all needed information: the landscape definition, the distributions for customizing, master data, and configuration between systems. It supports inbound transport, rule engine, analytics, and an audit trail, fully integrated in SAP Cloud ALM. The same applies for the template protection. We have a similar UI with a dashboard. It's connected with the managed S4 landscape and is integrated in SAP Cloud ALM. To sum it up, Pony is an SAP BTP application that tailors and extends SAP Cloud ALM without coding its configuration.
Use the QR code to learn more on our website.